Hello students, I am Deepak Ram, Assistant Professor English at UGC Command. Okay. Today I will tell you how we are going to apply the basic information for MCQs, multiple choice question. Okay, questions. Today we are going to do 3 essays. Off Studied by Francis Bacon, Sir Roger Church by Joseph Edison, Art of Conversation by Richard Steele. Okay. So Francis Bacon always focused on application of knowledge to practical life. How we are going to use the knowledge to practical life. Suppose take an example of my spectacles. ये चश्मा है, इसको अगर मैं चश्मे के तौर पे यूज न करके ऐसे रखता हूं, तब मेरा विजडम नहीं. आई एम नॉट अ वाइज पर्सन बिकॉज इट इज मेंट फॉर माई आईज, नॉट फॉर माई हेड. सो इट इज ऑल what we do with the knowledge. Gaining knowledge is not a big thing. Everybody can learn. But how we are going to apply it to the consequences, circumstances, or to the world for the betterment of world, etc. Okay. So Francis Bacon is also called father of the modern essay. These type of MCQs will come. You will have to know what you have to fill in the main blank. Basically, suppose Francis Bacon is the father of the modern essay. It will come like, who is the father of modern essay? There will be 4 options. Then you have to choose the correct one. You have to encircle the correct one. That is Francis Bacon. Okay. Then Sir Roger at Church. Sir Roger is a fictional character who was a preacher at church. Fictional means, manganak means created with the mind, not original. And then preacher who summarizes, basically जो उपदेश देते हैं, ठीक है. और फिर जोसेफ एडिसन. You should always know that there is a style of writing of everyone else. Every essayist, even you or me or anyone else, everybody has got a style. So Francis Bacon basically focused on application of knowledge, means he is a practical person. That can be as easy as it gets. Then Joseph Edison was a social reformer. वो जोसेफ एडिसन कभी नहीं चाहता था कि इमोरल लोग हों, तो वो शांति और अच्छाई के पथ पे चलना चाहता था. तो बेसिकली जोसेफ एडिसन वांट्स टू improve the world, so he writes like that only. And then the Art of Conversation, it is written by Richard Steele, Art of Conversation. So he said, there is a quote in that, to think with the wise but talk with the vulgar. Richard Steele. What do you mean by that? It means think like a wise, but don't apply your wiseness to common world. Basically, suppose you are a very intelligent person, and your parents are not that much well educated, they are 12 past, and you go and apply your enormous knowledge to your parents, around your parents. Then do you think it sounds good or it sounds right? No. Application of knowledge is directly proportional to the person. So you have to apply it very carefully. So he said, think wise but talk with the vulgar, means talk in the common language. Common language means, because the person who is not that wise, you cannot laugh at him or her, because he is trying to learn. Everybody is trying to learn every now and then, and I am also learning, you are also learning, and we will grow by learning with ease from each other. And if the surroundings and environment is feasible, nice, so we have to create an environment where we could understand. Suppose I also talk in Hindi when I teach in English. Why? Because we are from rural background basically. So English is not very penetrable here. So I have to talk in Hindi also. तो हिंदी में भी बात करनी है, इंग्लिश में भी बात करनी है, मिलजुल के ही पढ़ाना है. इससे क्या होगा, हम चीजों को समझेंगे. धीरे धीरे we will gain a thinking mind, conversion of language, slowly and gradually. We are not English, but we have to learn the language of English through slowly and gradual process. Okay, so these are the three essays. The underlined are the fill in the blanks. You have to be very precise about what we are going to put in there. There will always be 4 options or 2 options or 3 options. You have to choose the right one. So be wise. Always think of Francis Bacon. Be wise. Apply knowledge properly. Okay. All the thank you.